Modern web applications are complex, and that complexity makes them hard to secure. It doesn't help that most of the security tools that exist are not built for the people creating these apps, the developers. This means that our society suffers the consequences in the form of breaches, ransomware attacks, and the destruction of our privacy. This is why we built SecureStack, to help those developers sniff out and fix problems in their web applications. SecureStack is the world's first security platform built for developers by developers. When you manage an application with SecureStack, we combine data from 3 different places: the application source code, the cloud stack used, and finally, all the public assets that an application requires. Our web platform makes it really easy to inspect your existing applications and learn how to make them better, faster, and more secure. We built our technology to test every facet of your application security, looking for things like missing security controls and headers, efficacy of your WAF, what cloud-native components are you using, and are they secure, and more than 200 other data points. Our innovative application composition analysis looks inside your app to find out-of-date or insecure software. We audit your security controls, and our asset discovery service finds all your public web assets and helps you understand your application attack surface. We make it really simple to map your web apps to their source code repositories and to the cloud provider that they're running on. We analyze your source code to find out what it talks to and depends on, as well as what vulnerabilities might exist. This unlocks a vast amount of data, which allows us to create a really unique 3-dimensional understanding of your application in a totally non-invasive way. Once we understand how your application works, we use this data to create hyper-targeted automated fixes for any issues that we find. But it's not enough to give our customers a point-in-time scan for their applications. If we really want to help developers build better applications, we need to make sure that we give them the ability to test their applications inside the tools that they're already using. And that's exactly what we've done with our Bloodhound tool. You can run it from any terminal and local environment to scan your applications for embedded credentials, vulnerable third-party software, and cloud misconfigurations. Even better, you can use Bloodhound with any CI/CD platform in the world. So all developers, regardless of where they are writing and deploying their applications, can benefit from the SecureStack platform. It just drops in and it works. Now, what does this look like in the real world? Well, let's imagine a customer is using the Bitbucket platform for their continuous integration and delivery solution. And one of their developers embeds user credentials or API keys in their code. SecureStack will find it and stop it from getting into your application where a bad guy can find it. And if someone introduces a software library with a known vulnerability, we'll stop that too, so criminals can't use it to attack your application. And finally, if your application is hosted in AWS and someone turns off a security feature or opens up a security group, our platform will see that and let your team know. For the first time, your development teams will be empowered to build more secure and more awesome applications holistically with SecureStack. If you want to know more, check us out on the web or reach out to us at hello@securestack.com. Thanks.